Hello, sir. How are you?
Hi Hassan, how you doing?
Yeah. I am Faravi, and this is my team member Rakib. So, how are you?
Doing very good. Just doing very good. Just kind of eager to see what you can offer me.
Yeah. Recently, we have audited your YouTube channel and found some problem, and we can fix that problem. And we hope and believe that if you can fix that problem, then your channel will grow gradually. So, if you want to interested to our service, then we can go ahead, sir. Sir, are you interested to our service, sir?
Well, actually, yes. I would like to hear what you can do for my channel. I've been doing the videos as well, but it is very different to do the videos than to post the videos and generate views, right? So
Yeah.
that is actually what I want to hear. What are your plans? You see already that I work for a real estate company, which is Remax, but I would like to have a lot of traffic into not only my channel but the web page as well, right? So
Okay.
actually, my web page, and then what I do is I work together with Remax. So then those properties are going to be simultaneously in two of the web pages, right?
Right.
So well, actually, I would like to hear what you can do for my channel. How can we position the videos as well? I'm actually planning to do a lot of videos this year because I do have several properties as well here in Aruba. So just want to send them to those key areas that where the potential customers are, like different countries that I do have in mind. I'll just share with you later on. And well, that is it. So, what do you have? What you can do for me?
Okay, sir. For YouTube, we have two services. One is YouTube SEO and another is YouTube video promotion by Google Ads. If you do YouTube SEO, then we will optimize your video title, video description, and we will research high volume rank tag for your videos. And when we put that high volume rank tag to your videos, then your video will go top on search result. When someone search near your targeted location and with targeted keywords, then your video will go top and you will get organic views from there. And we have another services with Google Ads. Do you know about Google Ads, sir?
No, I'm not familiar with that.
Okay, Google Ads is paid method. It's not organic. But first one, SEO is not paid method. It's organic method. So Google paid method, we will target your exact location and we will target your exact people who you want to reach. And it is paid method. You have to pay a budget to Google, not to me. Budget like per day $2, per day $5 like that. And if you run an ad for week, then it will cost we will do work for your demand, and our search is $100. But YouTube SEO is organic. It's organic. It takes some times to get result. And for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is weekly packages and another is monthly packages. For weekly packages, we will do 10 video SEO for a week. It costs $120. And for a monthly packages, we will do 30 video SEO for a month, and it costs $300, sir. Sir, which one you chose, sir?
Okay, let me see. You have been it for 1 month, $300. That's what I heard, right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I had to do the picture in my car because I'm on my way to a meeting, so I finished late. So then I wasn't able to be at my office on time. But still, so you say like for a month, it's gonna be $300, right?
Yeah.
That is the organic or the paid one.
This is organic, sir. This is organic SEO.
Okay, so that means for your services of posting it and doing the. Okay, how many videos can I upload during that month?
So you have already uploaded some videos. If you have a choice from them, then you can send us link those videos, those specific 30 videos. Then we will do SEO for that specific videos.
Okay. Well, actually, those videos are from past properties. So I would like to start doing some new videos. Send you the link, and then you just do
Yeah.
what
Okay. I
post it.
see. I see. So your new videos, when you uploaded your new videos, you just inform our teammate Rakibul Hassan. Then he will do SEO, But for doing SEO related work, we need your channel access as a editor or editor limited access. No need manager access, sir. So do you know how to give access?
No, actually, no, no.
Okay,
I will
no
have
problem.
to look at that, but if you give me kind of like a guide on that, I could just go ahead and do the access for you.
Okay, no problem. Our teammate Rakibul Hassan will show you how to give access. No problem. And sir, when should we start our project, sir?
How soon? Well, I still have to do the videos, right? I'm in the middle of something, fixing something first, which is my web page. And yes, I will start doing the videos, and I want to upload a video at least every 15 days, right? Or at least 3 videos in a month. Um, but I do have to, let me see, how can we put it? I do have two targets: the local target, right? And then I have the those people who are living abroad, right?
Yeah.
So those are the kind that I'm gonna upload certain videos for them, but for the locals, I want to upload certain videos only for the locals, right? Because it still is gonna be in a different language as well. Um, so for that, how do we do that? So is it going to be included on the same package? How many videos am I allowed to send you during the month? Though the cost of the 300 is going to be for each video, or is going to be for the month, or is going to be for the same video during the month, or how do we do that?
Sir, as you upload new videos, I suggest you you can take our per video packages. Per video $10. So for a month, how much video we will do SEO? You can pay us per video $10, sir. It would be far better for you, sir.
So what I will be doing is it's an endless amount of videos. Is that what you said?
No, as long as you are continue.
Okay, okay.
Okay, our teammate Rakibul Hassan will send you all everything to your Gmail, and our channel link, our website link, and our packages for paid method and organic method both will send to your Gmail. And for you have, if you have any further questions, then you can communicate with Mr. Rakibul Hassan on Gmail, sir.
Okay, well, we are kind of set now, unless you have something else to share with me.
No, sir. Thanks for your time. And for any further questions, you can ask to Mr. Rakibul Hassan, and he will send you everything to your Gmail. Thank you for your time, sir.
Fair. Thank you for your time as well. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah. Hope to see you. Thank you.